Hey there, I'm Pulkit from Radient Interactive, and welcome to episode 1 of Unreal Engine from start to game. Today, we are kicking things off by opening Unreal Engine 5 and building our first playable level. By the end of this video, you will walk around in a world you built yourself, and that's when game development really starts to feel like Unreal. So grab your keyboard, fire up Unreal, and let's get started before my coffee runs out. Let's start with the basics. When Unreal launches, click on Games and choose the third person template. It gives us ready-made player, camera, and movement setup. You can use other templates as well, however, I would encourage you to go with third person for now. Set the project type to blueprint because we will be working with nodes, not code. Lastly, name your project Getting Started. Or you can name it whatever you would like, maybe a cheese. Hit create and let Unreal cook for a bit. Welcome to your new home, the Unreal Engine editor. It might look like a spaceship cockpit right now, but don't worry. We'll learn to fly it without crashing into an asteroid. This big window in the middle is the viewport, your 3D view into your world. You can hold right click and use WASD to move, just like in a game. Again, W for forward, A for left, S for backwards, and D for right. All you have to do is hold the right mouse button and use these keys to navigate around your 3D world in the viewport. Give it a go. Now, on the right side, you have got the outliner. It's basically a list of everything in your scene. Think of it like your level's grocery list. If anything is invisible in the level, or you cannot see it while the game is running, it still exists here, so keep that in mind. Now, down below is the content browser. It can be toggled up and down using the control plus space. Again, that would be the left control button plus space. This is where all your game's assets live. Meshes, materials, sounds, and blueprints. And finally, over here, right below the outliner, we have the details panel. Whenever you click something, this panel lets you tweak its properties. Properties include the transforms, the scale, the rotation, if it should simulate the physics, how the collisions are handled, and all of those sweet things we will discuss later. Next, we have the movement tools. Remember, W to move, E to rotate, and R to scale, or as I would like to call them, VR trio, because it's weird not to use them. So you can use WER whenever you click on an object and move, rotate, or scale them. Give it a go. Alright, time to make something. Open the Place Actors panel, that is the cube with a green plus icon, and drag in a cube. We will use it to build a little platform. You can also hold Alt plus drag to duplicate objects. This trick alone will save you hours. I'm gonna use it to create this platform. Give it a go. Next, as you can see, we already have all the lighting set up for our test level. I'm going to delete them all so I can show you how you can add your own. So first, I'm gonna delete them. Next, let's go into the Windows or window. Click on the environment mixer. Here you can see that we have all the directional light, exponential height fog, skylight, those sweet things. Now all we have to do is just click on these buttons and they will add those objects into our scene. The directional light, that's basically your sun. You can rotate it slightly and you will see beautiful real-time shadows. Give it a go. After that, we have skylight to capture ambient light. This smooths out dark areas. And for a touch of realism, drop in an exponential height fog. That's what gives distance its nice cinematic haze. They also have volumetric clouds, and then there's sky atmosphere, which is responsible for realistic atmospheric effect. Congratulations, you have just added all the lighting elements into the scene and made a little platform as well. Now your first level is officially less empty than my fridge at 2 a.m. Now, let's take it for a spin. Click on the play button, which is green in color, and there it is. You're walking in the world you just built. You have now learned how to move around Unreal using WSAD and holding the right mouse button. Use the viewport tools, add lights, and create basic geometry. In the next episode, we will explore lighting and atmosphere, how to give your world emotion, time of day, and that perfect dramatic vibe. Again, thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps more dreamers like you find their way into Unreal. I'm Pulkit from Radiant Realms Interactive. See you in the next one.